Lina's daily English journey. Lina was a young girl who lived in a busy city. She loved learning new things and always dreamed of speaking English fluently. One day, her teacher gave her some advice: if you want to be good at English, practice every day. Lina took this advice to heart and decided to start her daily English routine. Morning routine. Every morning, Lina would wake up early and start her day with a smile. She had a small notebook where she wrote down 3 new words she learned the previous day. Today, the words were bird, morning, and happy. The bird sings every morning. I feel happy today, she said aloud to herself, practicing her pronunciation. Listening practice. After breakfast, Lina would listen to English songs or watch a short video in English. She liked watching cartoons because the language was simple, and the stories were fun. She would try to repeat some sentences from the cartoons. "What's your name?" the character asked. Lina smiled and said, "My name is Lina." Speaking practice. At school, Lina practiced speaking English with her friend Maya. Even though Lina wasn't perfect, Maya encouraged her to keep going. They would talk about simple things, like what they ate for lunch or what they were doing after school. "What did you do yesterday?" Maya asked. "I went to the park and played with my dog," Lina replied. Writing practice. In the evening, Lina would spend a few minutes writing in her English diary. She would write about what happened during her day. "Today, I went to school. My teacher taught us new words. I learned mountain and river. I feel proud of my progress." Night reflection. Before bed, Lina would review the words and sentences she had practiced during the day. She would look at her notebook and smile. She knew that the more she practiced, the better she would get. Lina also liked to read a book in English, even if it was just a few pages. It helped her get used to how the words were put together. Lina's progress. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Lina could now have full conversations in English. She was no longer afraid of making mistakes because she knew that learning was all about practice and improvement. Her English was getting better every day, and soon, she could even help her friends with their English homework.